Your child's grade, it explains to you where the grades are. So let's say if you have kindergartners.
Ахметтің мектебіне ата-аналар жиналысына бардық.
Activity room 4. If you have a second grader, room 22, third grader, room 15, fourth grader, room 18.
Мектеп директоры Лидия Ван. Содан кейін әр сыныпта мұғалімдер сабақтың жоспарын, сабақтың өту барысын түсіндіріп көрсетті.
I'll say, we're on lesson 5. I mean, I do a lot of silly things. Try to get them engaged, but I'm like, we're already at lesson 5. And then we'll move ahead, let's learn. And we talk about our learning goals today. And
try, I love you.
And you know what? Let's say the sentence first. You want to try that? Let's say it. Okay? Pick again. And let's say it together. Ready? I love you is a sentence. Can you say that? I love you.
Now let's step it.
Let's go back and step. Ready?
Go.
I love you. Good. We had Michael and Harper working together there. Right, for one word. Yay, great job.
You see how making it physical and auditory then will eventually lead to...
Don't know it, it's okay. Your children, John, Matt, and Adini, they're doing well. I think because Adini is shy, I make sure she gets, I give her a little extra help to give her a step up so she understands the task. Then she becomes much more confident. So, yeah, so I find, and then also, like when we're doing the assessment, I don't know if everybody's reading the
Ахметтің сынып жетекшісі мисс Криста келіп, балаларымыздың жетістіктерін, жетпей жатқан тұстарын айтып берді. Ол уақытта балаларға әртүрлі тапсырмалар беріп қойды. Балалар тапсырмаларын жасап отырды.
All the hair runs out. That's what it says. That's what do you do?
I do. Give me 5.
There you go.
And right away, that means hands free, eyes on me, or on this
Different things. I also turn to split the light when I do it.
Молодец. Апай, мықты.
Thank you all for coming. It's wonderful. You're welcome in the room, in the classroom, in the school anytime. We'd love to see you here.
Nice job. What part of one do you? You can do it now or later.
Sometimes today with the parents. Slow and steady.
Топлап қапты жантасты.
The race. You don't know what's happening the first time, right? Nice job. Slow and steady.
Молодец.
Because tortoise ends up eating here in that story. They also make
Ахметтің мектебінде алғашқы ата-аналар жиналысы осылай өтті.